How to delete Telegram message for everyone. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to delete the message for everyone that you have sent, then don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this, which are the chats. Now simply find the message or chat where you have sent the message or you want to just delete it. After locating it, simply tap on it and then simply locate the message which you want to delete. Now simply keep on tapping on that message just like this. Then here you can find delete. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find delete for everyone. Now tap on it. And now you can see the message has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can delete Telegram message for everyone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.